Hello everybody, Doug Rucker here with Doug Rucker School, pressurecleaningschool.com and DougRuckerStore.com. Hey, I was out here today changing hoses. These hoses are still working, but they've been on for a little while, and I just always change my hoses because I'm trying to prevent, when I'm on a job, a hose splitting. So these hoses have been on the truck for probably about 8 months, 10 months maybe. So I'm gonna take and make these spares to have for big jobs when you need them. But one of the things I wanted to point out that I noticed on this hose is, you see this kink here in the hose? That happens when hoses are getting rolled up, and it'll come up to the reel. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, and it'll be like that, and as it gets closer to the reel, it gets tighter and tighter, and it bends the wire inside there, and that wire will actually start cutting into the hose, and you just basically disrupted the integrity of the hose. And so that's what's eventually on this hose is going to cause it to split right here. So whenever you are rolling up hoses, make sure your hoses are perfectly straight with no bends in them, no kinks. Try to be in a situation where you can, have them straight out, just like you would do if you had to roll them up by hand, basically. And then that'll help solve a lot of issues. That's probably, I think, the number one reason hoses fail is not rolling them up properly, making sure that they're out straight. Have a helper or somebody help you. Watch the hose behind you as you're reeling it in. If you see a loop in it or something that's going to be a kink, go straighten it out before it gets to the reel. Don't let it get close to that reel, because the closer it gets, the tighter that loop gets, and becomes a kink. Okay? Hope that helps you guys. Take care of your hoses. We're going to have a little meeting tomorrow about this kink in my hose, and then go from there. But I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. It's raining today, so a great day for some maintenance work. Talk to you guys soon.